Alright, here are the dogs. Someone got excited, and Evelyn's already cleaning up the pee. We're missing someone. Stan! Where'd he go? He's wearing Buckeye, scarlet and gray. Hey baby, hey baby. Here's the old man. Come here, Lottie. Lottie. You think he's outside? Stan.
There he is.
Oh, Stan, Stan. Me. Is that your mommy? Yes. I love you.
Oh.
Here's our girl. Wild girl.
Wild and crazy indigo.
She is. She's a monster.